In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to activate Shopify Payments for non-US citizens or non-USA residents. Before we dive in, here's an important note. Shopify Payments is only available in certain countries and requires that your store and business details accurately reflect where you actually operate. Using an address that isn't yours can violate Shopify's terms and lead to frozen payouts or account closure. So I'll show you how to set things up the right way and how to choose alternatives if Shopify Payments isn't available where you live. Start by opening your Shopify admin and heading to Settings. In the General or Store Details section, make sure your legal business name, address, and contact information match your real, verifiable details. Keeping this accurate helps verification go smoothly and prevents payout holds later. Save any changes once everything reflects your true information. Next, go to Settings and then Payments. Here, Shopify shows you the payment options available for your country. If Shopify Payments is supported in your region, click to set it up. When asked about your business type, choose Individual if you're a sole proprietor, or Company if you're registered as a business entity. Enter your legal name as it appears on your identification, your correct date of birth, and your actual business address. For payouts, connect a bank account in your name that can accept local transfers in your country. Have a government-issued ID and any requested tax information ready. Submitting clean, consistent documents usually speeds up approval. If Shopify Payments isn't available in your country, don't worry. In that same payment section, you'll see a list of supported third-party payment gateways for your region. Select one that works for your business, follow the prompts to create or connect your account, and complete their verification with accurate details. Pay attention to fees, payout schedules, and supported currencies so you understand how and when you'll receive your funds. A few helpful tips as you go. Keep all information consistent across your store, your payment provider, and your bank. Mismatches in names or addresses are a common reason for delays. Avoid using VPNs during verification. If you plan to sell in multiple currencies, review conversion fees and consider how pricing displays for your customers. And always test your checkout after enabling a provider to confirm payments processed correctly before you launch ads or promotions. That's it. By using your real information and choosing the payment option available in your country, you'll stay compliant, protect your payouts, and set a strong foundation for growth. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.